Hello everyone, what's up? I hope you are doing absolutely amazing. My name is Shefali and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing an affordable makeup brushes and also मैं उसका demo भी दिखाने वाली हूँ. So if that interests you, then please keep on watching. So I have purchased these brushes from Amazon. I personally wanted makeup brushes which will be super affordable and also मुझे quality का compromise भी ना करना पड़े. So yeah, this is quite cheap and affordable. So I have searched a lot and finally I got these brushes and also आपको इसके साथ beauty blender भी मिलता है and I'll give all the links in the description box below, so do check that out. So these brushes comes in a pouch like this. ऐसे pouch में आपको मिल जाता है and also this is the beauty blender that you will get. So these brushes are called as Tarte Makers bamboo makeup brushes with beauty makeup sponge. So yeah, this is how it looks. एंड ऑल्सो इसके ब्रिजल्स के ऊपर एक प्लास्टिक वायर भी लगा होता है टू प्रोटेक्ट द ब्रशेस, विच इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग. And if you are curious to know about the price of these brushes, then this just retails for 500 rupees, which is quite cheap and affordable. Because normally आप एक makeup brush लेने जाते हो तो उसका cost 100 rupees to 200 rupees होता है. So आपको इसमें 12 makeup brushes with one beauty blender मिल रहा है. So it's a very big deal. मैंने इसके एक दो मेकअप ब्रशेस पहले ही यूज़ किए हैं तो जस्ट ट्राई इट आउट. सो इसके ब्रिजल्स बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. आपको एकदम हार्श फीलिंग नहीं आती है इसके ब्रिजल्स की. सिर्फ मुझे आईब्रो पेंसिल में थोड़ा सा ये वाला जो पार्ट है वो थोड़ा हार्ड लगा. इट इज़ नॉट वेरी सॉफ्ट, इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड. तो सिर्फ दिस इज़ द ओनली पार्ट कि मुझे ये थोड़ा सा हार्ड लगा. बाकी सब ब्रशेस बहुत ही अच्छे हैं एंड द ब्रिजल्स आर वेरी सॉफ्ट, वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट. And also if you are a beginner or if you are a new makeup artist, then definitely you should go for it because it is very cheap and affordable. So you can experiment अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है या नहीं लग रहा है. पर personally मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and yeah, I'm gonna use it for sure. So इसमें आपको 6 face brushes मिलते हैं and 6 eye brushes मिलते हैं. So now we'll see every brush and also their uses. So the very first brush is this. This is the foundation brush. It is also called as kabuki brush. This is how it looks. इसका surface पूरा flat होता है to apply the foundation. So this is the first brush. So the second brush is also foundation brush. ये जब भी आप apply करते हो at that time you can use. And also ये concealer के लिए भी use हो सकता है. So the third brush is the contour brush. This is how it looks. It is in the dome shape. The only thing is that you don't get any fan brush or angular brush in this brush set. But it is okay क्योंकि आपको dome shape का brush मिल रहा है for contouring. So yeah. So the fourth brush is highlighter brush. Like you can apply highlighter with this brush. This is how it looks. So the fifth one is this one. This is how it looks. या आप ब्लश लगाने के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड ऑल्सो इसके सारे ही ब्रशेस बहुत ही छोटे एंड कॉम्पैक्ट है एंड इट इज़ वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. आप कहीं पे भी ले जा सकते हो इस ब्रशेस को. सो दिस इज़ द मेन एडवांटेज ऑफ बाइंग दिस ब्रशेस. सो द फिफ्थ ब्रश इज अप्लाइंग कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर और लूज पाउडर, वॉट एवर यू कैन से. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. ये मुझे थोड़ा सा टूटा हुआ मिला है बट इट इज़ ओके, आई कैन फिक्स इट. इट इज़ नॉट अ बिग डील. So this is how it looks. So these were all the face makeup brushes that I showed you. Now we'll see the eye brushes. So the first brush is this. This is kind of a spoolie. ये आप eyebrows brush करने के लिए use कर सकते हो. This is how it looks. So the second eye brush is the eyeshadow brush. You can apply eyeshadow with this brush. This is how it looks. So the second brush is this flat brush. This is how it looks. This brush is used for applying shimmery shade and also you can use this brush to apply color corrector. So the fourth brush is this dome shaped brush. So this brush is used for applying eyeshadow in a specific area. So this is how it looks. And also आप नीचे के water line पे भी लगा सकते हो if you want. So this is the brush. So the fifth brush is this flat mini brush. This is how it looks. You can use this brush to smudge kajal, and also you can use it to apply eyeliner. So the sixth eye brush is this flat brush. This is how it looks. Use this brush to define your brows. These all were 12 brushes. 6 were face makeup brushes and 6 were eye makeup brushes. Now we'll see the beauty blender. So this is the beauty blender. This is how it looks. It is super soft. So yeah, now I'm gonna be doing makeup by only using these 12 brushes. I'm not gonna be using beauty blender, but yeah, all the makeup I am doing with these brushes only. So yeah, now we'll see the demo. Okay, so I have moisturized my face. So now I am applying lip balm to moisturize my lips. Then I am applying concealer and color corrector. I'll give all the product links in the description box below. Then I am taking this medium size flat brush to blend the concealer and color corrector. The bristles are super soft of these brushes. After that, I am applying foundation, and in that I am adding oil for glowy effect, applying all over my face. Then I am taking this kabuki brush to blend all my foundation, and also आपको tap motion में नहीं जाना है, and also you should not drag the brush, but आपको shorter stroke जैसा drag करना है, and blend it very carefully. Then I am setting my base with a compact powder and taking this buffing brush to set my base. After that, I am gonna be applying eyeshadow with this eyeshadow brush displayed in the video. You can see how I am applying. मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाने वाली हूँ because obviously the main part is our brushes. Then I am applying glittery shade and blending again. You can see how beautifully it is blending. Then I am gonna be smudging kajal with this smudging brush. You can see how beautifully it is working. After that, I am taking this pointed brush and taking pink eyeshadow to apply below my waterline, and then applying white kajal. And then I am applying mascara for voluminous lashes. Then I am using this eyebrow brush to brush my brows, and then I am applying eyebrow pencil. After that, I am gonna be doing contouring with this dome shaped brush. You can see how beautifully it is blending. The quality is really very good for this price range. Then I'm applying blush with this mini brush displayed in the video, and you can see how beautifully it is blending. Seriously guys, I'm in love with these brushes now. Then I am applying highlighter with the brush displayed in the video. And then taking the pointed brush to apply highlighter on my brow bones and inner corners of my eyes. And lastly, I am applying this bullet lipstick. And yeah, that's it. You can see how beautiful and natural my makeup has turned out. Do comment below if you find this video helpful. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below if this video was helpful for you, and please hit that like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I come up with new videos every Sunday, so I'll meet you in my next video. Until we meet, stay healthy and stay positive. Bye.